Hi friends, welcome to the channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can delete photos from your blog on your Facebook page. Please subscribe to this channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes, and let us get started with you. And first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Next, you'll need to go to your profile. To do that, you can click in the upper left corner on your picture. Next, you'll see your cover photo, click on it. And then view cover photo. That way you will open it up. Now you'll need to click on the three dots in the upper right corner. And here you'll see the very first option is delete photo. And then you will just need to confirm this action. As you can see, the cover photo has been instantly deleted. And now you'll be able to pick and choose some new Facebook cover photo. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you and you have seen how you can easily delete cover photos from your Facebook. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Write your comments and also put your likes. See you soon.